So we are now at the restaurant called Fat Fish. It's very famous here in Kalangut, Goa. And this is the logo.
No, this is not the logo. This is the logo.
Okay, so that is fat, but it's not a fish. It's a pig. Okay, so this is where we are going to have the food from. It's famous for its seafood. We all are very excited. We are going to have crab, prawn, squid. So I'm not a huge seafood fan, but I'm going to try out everything because most of my friends told me if you're visiting Goa, then the seafood is a must, right?
I don't know.
It's a must.
My hair.
So guys, are you ready to dive into the seafood pond?
Yeah.
Having lunch right now at Fat Fish, so yeah, I'm going to ask my friends what they're having because they're having amazing delicious seafood. I also had for the very first time and I really enjoyed. Let's ask our friends what they're having. Shonali, what are you having?
Butter garlic calamari.
Okay, and Vishwarun, what is that?
Stuffed crab.
This is stuffed crab. Okay, and how is it? Is it delicious?
Oh, good.
Okay, so we have the food arriving in front of us.
We still have few more things to come.
Exactly.
So we have ordered kingfish goan curry.
Okay.
Kingfish goan curry. I don't know what fish is that, but it is very different. I don't know.
Mods.
No, it's something more.
Mods.
Food is here, our output is here.
Okay. There are food. Can you
ওটা কোনটা?
This is
Mixed fried rice or
this is I think mixed fried rice.
This is shark jacuti.
Mixed fried rice and butter masala.
This is
এটা ট্রাই
shark.
করে শার্ক আছে।
and what is that?
শার্ক জাকুটি।
This is the biryani, chicken biryani Abhishek is having. Oh, sorry, mutton biryani. Because he doesn't like to have fish. What is that?
শার্ক জাকুটি।
What?
শার্ক জাকুটি।
Shark zakuti.
Right, and this is veg pulao.
Can you please show the?
রাইস নিতে বলছি চিংড়ি মাছ নিতে না বলছি
Okay.
And this is
Mixed fried rice.
mixed fried rice. Right.
Butter chicken.
So you can see food is arriving one by one. I'm showing you more food. So wait for it. So Shonali is trying out prawn curry right now. She's going to tell us whether it's good enough. It looks delicious. How is the taste, Shonali? It's good? Please taste the prawn and tell us.
আমার হয়ে গেছে খাটাই যায় না
Have it with your hand. Nice. Vishwarun is having mott's curry. Is it, what is it?
So it's a fish, and I'm going to taste the fish real time so that I can.
Okay, please try and tell us how is it.
It looks like this.
Yeah, okay.
Move into this.
Oh, it looks good.
It's a
Okay.
bit stiff.
Stiff.
Yeah, but it tastes really good.
It tastes good. Okay, nice. I'm having this. It's called King's Fish. I'm going to try it with rice and tell you how it actually tastes. So I'm going to try Kingfish for the first time. You can see. Let's see how it tastes. The fish is not bad, but the curry is too much coconut flavor. But it's very
Good, yeah. Coconutish flavor.
yeah, but I cannot have it more.
So in Bengali we have that chingri,
Malai curry.
Narkol chingri.
Narkol chingri.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it has a very strong coconut smell to it, and I think most of the curries, even the prawn one and the one mod fish, they all are like the curries actually have a very strong coconut flavor to it. I would not say it's bad, it's not really bad, but it's not something you can just eat again and again. Too much. It's like the flavors are very rich. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I mean, definitely you can enjoy it. So that was it, our food review for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. See you soon.
One eternity later.
So now we are at the Bagha beach. We just had lunch and we thought, why not take a stroll? Let's go and explore this beach. I've heard that this is one of the most crowded beaches in North Goa. Let's go and find out whether that's true or not. What happened, Shonali? So all her boots, brand new boots, are splashed in water.
To wear chappals, you can show this.
Look at Shulagna giving. Oh!
Should I push her?
Yes, please. Please, Bishwarun, we want to see this. Live camera. Do it today. Do it today. Take out all your frustrations.
Shulagna.
Boing, 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 boing.
Later that same evening. the next day.
Guys, good morning. It's day 3 of the Goa tour. We are at the hotel right now. We had a really good night. Last night was really amazing. Let like the whole tour. Yesterday's tour was really good, and I think you have already seen this. But I went to the club for the very first time, and it was a great experience. And yeah, today we are going to repeat that experience. So we are going to go to South Goa today. And before that, we are going to have breakfast. Right now, we are going to have breakfast. 2 of my friends are going to do the RT-PCR test because they only took the first shot of vaccination. So, in order to, go to the airport and get checked in, they need the second dose as well, which they don't have. So, they need to do the Corona RT-PCR test. They're going to go for that. Before that, we are going to go for breakfast, and after that, around 1 p.m., we are going to go to the South Goa and explore all the beaches and the beauty that lies there. And we are going to go take you guys through the whole experience. I hope you guys enjoy. See you soon.
1 hour later.
Guys, we are off to our next destination, that is South Goa. We are mainly going to the beaches, and this is what I'm wearing today. You can see total Goa look. So yeah, I will take you to the tour and we all will enjoy together. Meet you in Goa, South Goa. So we are going to have lunch here at Dilhi the Darbar restaurant. So we were originally looking for a seafood place, but we didn't get anything. So we ended up going to this, and let's see how the food tastes. I really hope that we get a good food, because actually we didn't know that in South Goa every restaurant gets closed by 4 p.m. Okay, this is the only one which is open. It's probably going to close soon, so it was the last resort we had. So yeah, let's just taste some authentic Indian food, and let's see what they have to offer us. Okay, I mean, we have to always take the last resort when we don't have anything else. So yeah, let's go inside and have some taste. Right now, this is the starter we ordered. This is more malai kebab, and it looks really yum. Let me taste and see what it really tastes like. It's really good. You also have raita. No. And we have squid. This is chili crispy squid. This looks really good. The rest of the food is coming, but we have started off with the starters. I will show you what else we are having for lunch. So this is prawn rava prawn, fried prawn. How is it, Sulagna? Really good? So
অভিষেক মানে সুজি দিয়ে ভেজে দিয়েছে।
How is it? Sonali?
ভালো।
I'm having garlic naan and butter malai tikka chicken. So let's taste and see how it tastes.
এটা আছে কাটটা এটা। আমি ফ্রাইড রাইস খাবো।
না,
নিরঙ্কুশ না।
এ কি মাংস ঝোল ভাত?
বিরিয়ানি এরা করতে পারে।
ভাই ফ্রাইড রাইস থেকে অর্ডার দিই।
আমি আর
আমাকে ফ্রাইড রাইস কে
আমি দিচ্ছি আমি
So good.
বিরিয়ানি কে
So it has a very strong tikka taste to it. On top of that, there is some malai. This is definitely accentuating the taste and is heavenly. And along with this butter garlic naan, it's perfect.
একটু নিয়ে নেবো।
Let's just
একটু নিয়ে
আরে নাও না
see what else people are having. Okay? What are you having?
well I'm having mixed fried rice
Okay.
and with squid curry.
With squid as well?
Yep.
Oh, let me show. Please tell us how it tastes.
It tastes delicious and
Yeah.
it's a bit spicy but
Really?
yeah,
Okay.
if you're a health risk person then I would suggest not to go with squid curry. You should try a different cuisine.
Okay, nice. Bisharun is having mutton biryani. Bisharun, please taste and tell us how is it.
So when you order steamed rice, it actually tastes like this.
So it means it's very bad. Yeah, when you are expecting the flavors of mutton biryani, but it's not.
Mutton kasha and steamed rice.
So you should not have mutton biryani when you are in Goa. So that's the lesson you both learned, right?
If you didn't have any biryani when you were in Goa.
You should not have.
Any biryani when you have.
Yeah. So that's the lesson we learned. Thank you for this honest opinion, both of you. So this is what I'm most excited about, the dessert part. So this is what we are having. So this is gulab jamun with ice cream. Let's give it a go.
আমি একটু বাইরে গিয়ে দাঁড়াচ্ছি ওরা আমাকে বলিস কত
চলো
যা দিবি তার থেকে
Looks
500
so
extra
delicious.
দিবি সামনে বসা। না না স্বর্ণালী তো বসবেই না, ফার্স্টেই ডিক্লেয়ার করে দিয়েছে।
It's worth it.
না সেটা তো আমি
It's
decide করবো।
delicious. Yeah, I'm definitely not disappointed. Overall, the food from this place is really good. Everybody should definitely visit this place and have a bite out of these dishes, except for the biryani, because I think people who have had Kolkata biryani will definitely not like the biryani that is provided here. It's more of a curry rice. But rest of the things, they are really good, especially the fried rice. Like I'm really surprised that the fried rice is this good. So yeah, I mean Goa and mixed fried rice with squid and every kind of fish is really good. Guys, that was it for today's lunch. We'll see it afterwards.
One eternity later.
So we are waiting at the queue to get inside the queue. It's raining and you can see the crowd as well. Oh, it's going to be crazy.
Several song-filled hours
So we are
later.
at Bagha Beach right now. We are going to have dinner. The girls went to Cafe Mambo's because the entry fee for girls is free. For guys, bachelor guys like us, it's not. So yeah, we have to go, and we are going to find shacks and we are going to have dinner there. Okay? So this is the place where we're going to sit and have our dinner. Isn't this a cute little shack? Yes. So the girls are clubbing right now at Cafe Mambo's. They're going to come back and join us here. Till then, we're going to sit and have dinner and decide what we're going to have.
The next day.
Hey guys, this is day 4 of the Goa tour. This is the last day of the tour. Yes, I'm sad because this is ending, but I'm really happy at the same time because we had an amazing time. Last night we had dinner at Bagha Beach. It was beautiful, like the waves crashing on our feet, and sitting on the beach with a table and lights. We have seafood, and then the winds are just touching our faces. It was just surreal. And top of that, Bagha Beach, I know, it's a stereotype, and people actually say that if you go to Bagha Beach, it will be very crowded. Yes, it was crowded, but the crowd was not that much. It was really decent. Like, everybody is not on top of you, okay? And it's not that congested. So I felt at ease sitting there and having a little bit of drinks and snacks. It was just great. We had a lot of conversations. Trust me, we reached there around 9 or 10. And we stayed there till 4 a.m. So can you believe the kind of fun and conversations we had? It was like one of the best nights we had. We also dipped our feet in the sea. It was really, really soothing. We had a lot of personal conversations. We opened up to each other. Whole group, we don't really know each other. And that particular moment spending at the beach really let us open to each other, okay? And we actually discussed a lot of things which we didn't know that we had in common, which really, really helped us. So this Goa tour has definitely helped me realize a lot of things, grow as a human being, and experience so many new amazing things. So yeah, I'm really, really thankful. Guys, this is the last day. We are going to Bagha Beach, and we are going to do the water sports. I'm very, 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 very excited about this. I have got myself a vlogging camera. I also have a lot of equipments. I don't know how to use them properly though, but yeah, I will figure out something, and we're going to record everything. We are going to be going crazy about this. There are a lot of activities that will be included: banana ride, parachute ride, then snorkeling, a lot of other things, and you will be getting an experience of all those along with me and my friends. So guys, let's just end this trip with a bang. See you soon. So now we are off to Bagha Beach, and we will do all the sports activities. This is Mr. Abhishek. How excited are you for the water sports activities?
Well, I'm quite excited to do all the activities which are in Goa, but let's see.
Okay, Mr. Abhishek number 2. How excited are you?
I'm very excited. I want to try all the water sports today.
Yes.
Let's see how-
What is the name one water sport which you want to try the most?
I don't know the exact name, but I think it is paragliding.
Okay, I think it's parachute.
Something like that. But I want to try that.
Yeah. Do you know swimming?
No.
So
You are there to help me, right?
Are you scared that you might drown?
I think there will be plenty of people to help me out. So I'm not
Oh, that's the confidence we need. So, Abhishek, number one, do you know how to swim?
Yes, I know how to swim, but I don't consider myself as an advanced swimmer. But
Okay.
let's see. The most sports which I want to try is jet ski and
Why jet ski?
Jet
What is
ski-
so special about jet ski?
Jet ski. It's quite. I feel that it's quite adventurous, and as I'm a very adventurous freak person,
Okay.
so let's see what happens.
Okay, then we all are set. Let's just go there and have the best time of our lives. Let's end Goa trip with a bang. See you there. So guys, now we are going for the parasailing, the parachute sailing. The last one was a blunder. We didn't expect the waves to crash in. My camera got totally busted. This is a phone I'm using of one of my friends. So I'm excited, I'm scared, a lot of mixed emotions. Just get with it.
Woohoo! So, Ronit, how was your experience?
Experience was surreal. I mean, the moment I went 100 feet, it felt like I can see the rest of the world. It was so good. I was feeling like a bird flying in the sky with my wings just out there.
Okay.
Amazing experience. I would
So,
like to do it again. With
Do you wanna do something even more dangerous like bungee jumping, paragliding?
Yes, skydiving, anything. Like as long as
Okay.
I'm alive, I'm okay with it.
Okay, and what if you are not alive?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't
I
matter.
have had the experience of my life. I would die doing what I love.
Okay.
The next day.
So we have reached the airport to board the flight to Bangalore and then from there to Kolkata. The trip has finally come to an end. A lot of great memories, a lot of great experiences. It's a mixed bag, but we definitely had a great time here. I will definitely miss Goa and will definitely come back again here. That's for sure.
There were a lot of unexplored places that we are yet to explore, and but yeah, overall it was a fantastic experience. Everybody should have once in their lifetime, that's for sure. So guys, that was it. I will see you back directly at Kolkata and take it from there. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog a lot. If you didn't, then let me know what are the changes you want me to make. I have lost a few of my cameras. Many of my friends lost their phones. So yeah, it was a fun experience. So guys, yeah. See you soon. Ciao.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ সে তো খাচ্ছে হ্যাঁ বলো
হয়েছে 10টা এবার আয়।
আরে আর দুটো
আরে আরো করা যাবে না
দুটো কর না দুটো কর দুটো কর
হ্যাঁ এই তো আমি জানি এরপর আর কেউ আসবে না
করছি আমরা বুঝলে
আরেকটা
খেলাম অনেক
আরেকটা।
পাঁচটা করেই দে।
মাছ খেয়েছি এই খেয়েছি
চার।
অনেক কিছুই খেয়েছি
5
আরেকটা
চল কি কি
3
আরো নামা কি
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 32 32
আরো আরো
অন্যরকম কিছু জানিস
না ও যেটা বলছে পুশআপস বুক ডন পুশআপ বলে যেগুলোকে
তো এটা তো আমি ট্রাই
না এটা ট্রাইসেপস মারতে বলে বুক ডন
আমি ক্লাব পুশআপস মারবো তোমাকে ক্লাব পুশআপস
ওটাই করো না ভাই
ক্ল্যাপ করিস না ক্ল্যাপ করিস না ও এক্সপেরিয়েন্স
না ট্রাইসেপস পুশআপ মার স্কোয়ার পুশআপ মার
আচ্ছা দাঁড়া তোর পার্ট হয়ে গেছে
হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে
এবার বিশ্বরুণ
রনিজা
না তুই 5টা বলেছিস তুই 5টা বলেছিস না 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 না
লাইন
আরো পার্ট
এত সুন্দর পাগুলো সরাও রেডি 1 2 3 গো 1 আরে তো অর্ধেকও যাচ্ছে না অর্ধেক যা নিচে যা আরেকটু যা
ভাই বাট আই কান্ট গো দ্যাট ডাউন
ইউ হ্যাভ টু নালে ওটাকে পুশ আপ বলবে না এটাকে পুশ আপ বলবি তুই
যত নিচে যেতে হবে তত টাফ মানে তুই যদি এরকম করিস তাহলে হবে না
তুই ও পুরো এরকম করে ছেড়ে দিচ্ছি একবার কর দুটো করে ছেড়ে দে দুটো করে ছেড়ে দে
আমি
তুই আগে দুটো কর বিশ্বরুণ দুটো কর
ওকে তোল এই
ও করবে আগে তুই কর
সুরঙ্গ বুক ডন
আচ্ছা সুরগ না গুপ্ত
আচ্ছা একজন কিন্তু বাদ যাচ্ছে
স্বর্ণালী ও
ওকে নিয়ে আয় ওকে নিয়ে আয় না মজা
ও
এই 2
আমার মতই করছে কিন্তু
3 5
এই তো দেখ
6 7 8
দেখ
9 10 বাই
ভাই জি
ছি বিশ্বরুণ তুই দুটো করতে পারিস নি